Hello friends, now let us take up the concept number 18, 1.18, Declarative Programming Paradigm. As I told you in the previous concept, I will explain the features and the functionalities of the four paradigms: Declarative Paradigm, Imperative Paradigm, FOP and WOOP paradigms. In the Declarative Paradigm, it explains what to do, but not how to do. For this purpose, you want a little more explanation. Declarative paradigm is a style of building structure and elements of a computer program. It gives you a logical plan, but it does not give you the control flow statements. By giving control flow statements, not only having plan, control flow statement is given, which instructions you can write, which control structures you can write, you can understand it. Of course, if you are a beginner to the programming, it may be a little difficult for you to understand. Later you understand, simply understand that it gives you a logical plan to achieve the task, but it does not give you the meticulous implementation of the program. That you have to understand that. In order to understand this, I will give you a simple example which is more relevant to you. You can easily understand that, and by that you can understand the spirit of the declarative paradigm. Actually, you have an ambition, that is get placed in the IT industry. This is your task. Okay. Now you are ambitious to acquire a rewarding IT career. This is the task of the program, your program. So in a declarative approach, what it tells? What tells means first thing, first step, evolve as industry ready. Industry ready. First thing is, you should be evaluated as industry ready programmer. Once you become an industry ready programmer means you should acquire the employability. What is employability? The corresponding knowledge, skills and abilities, programming skills and abilities. So this is the first step. You should be evaluated as a industry ready programmer. In order to become an industry ready programmer, what you require? You should own the concepts. Actually, you have to choose one or more programming languages, and in that you must own the concept. Owning the concept means, if I ask you one question, what you did yesterday, how fluently you are able to explain, because that is your personal experience. In the same manner, concepts also you should own. That owning the concept, that is not enough. The subsequent thing is and performing applications. So whatever conceptual knowledge you get, that you acquire knowledge, the knowledge should be converted into skills. For that purpose, on all the concepts you have to perform the corresponding applications. Then your theoretical knowledge is transformed into skills. Now thereafter, abilities. There is a slight difference between skills and abilities. Actually, if you know the recipe of preparing a dish, that is knowledge. Suppose let us take a biryani, that is knowledge. Then if you are really able to prepare biryani, that is skill. Abilities, you can prepare different types of biryanis with a different taste, that is ability. So Gradually, by taking up projects, you have to transform your skills into abilities. Thereafter, thereafter, you are one of the engineering graduates, let us suppose. How people can open up your brain and see? That is not possible. That's why you must have a elevation. You should be exposed. For the exposure's sake, you focus on an international certification. Several international certifications are there, OCAJP, OCPJP, like that. Different certifications are there. You get the international certification. By that, this is the logical plan. By that, you will become the industry ready. Industry ready, then you can acquire a job. If you try sincerely, then you acquire a job, because you can better compete with others, because already you became industry ready. Actually, employers are in dire need of an industry ready programmer. That's why you get a job. This is the declarative approach. Because if I tell so technically, you may not understand that. This is your issue. That's why in a declarative paradigm, this way logical plan is implemented. Here see, it is generally explained, but what to do and all that meticulously the control flow is not given. So simple phrase is, it tells what to do. It tells you what to do, but not how to do.